Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest car weather shields window deflector. Item number 1. Side window deflector for Mitsubishi Outlander 2014-2015-2016-2017, 2018-2019-2020 acrylic sun rain deflector weather shield suns. Model. For Mitsubishi Outlander 2014 to 2020, model year. 2014-2015-2016-2017, 2018-2019-2019-2020. Color, black. Material acrylic. Package, 4 pieces/set. Special features, awnings and shelters. Item number 2. Side window deflector for Nissan Qashqai J11 2016-2017, 2018-2019-2020-2021 hook weather shields window visor sun rain guard suns. Model. For Nissan Qashqai J11 2016 to 2021, model year. 2016-2017. Item number 3. Side window visors for Toyota 4Runner 2010-2011-2012-2013-2014-2015-2016-2017, 2018-2019-2020 weather shield sun rain guard suns. Model. For Toyota 4Runner 20. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.